You will love the features of this 2023 Nissan Rogue. This feature-rich Rogue adds confidence and convenience to everyday life. Standard driver assist safety tech, large cargo capacity, and spacious seating have your back wherever the road may lead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, power driver seat, alarm, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, rear spoiler. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.